back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Denise. Today's video is going to be a huge, massive Walmart grocery haul for a family of 7 for 2 weeks. Today is Friday, so I'm doing all the preparation that I need to do to prepare for next week, the 18th, because I only cook Monday through Thursday. Rob cooks Saturdays and Sundays, and Fridays are yo-yo in our home, so you'll only see protein for 4 days because I'm in charge of that. Rob will get its own stuff that we need. If you don't know who Rob is, he is my husband. So without further ado, let's get into the haul. Alright guys, so I went to a Spanish market because I needed to grab some Jamaican item because I am Jamaican, and I try to cook as much of my food, if that makes any sense, for my children. So I like going to this grocery store that sells this brand of, why is it not focusing? Okay, hopefully it will focus. Yes, this brand of seasoning is amazing. So I get the black pepper, the onion powder, and also the garlic powder. And if you see things disappearing, that's Destiny, my oldest daughter, putting things away, so I'm sorry. And then I also get the Jamaican Choice all-purpose seasoning, and this is good. And then I went to get the Maggie jerk seasoning, but I didn't have that. So instead, I just got the Jamaican Choice jerk seasoning. And I don't know why it's not focusing. Why are we doing that? Come on. Okay, there we go. All right, so that's that. And then from there, I saw something on TikTok about China Slim Tea, so I figured I would try it. I don't know, I saw it and I was like, okay, yes please. All right, so I think, and then I also picked up classic butter beans. I got 3 cans of those because I love butter bean and oxtail, and also my cow skin that I make. And butter beans are like so hard to come by in regular grocery stores. I picked up some coconut milk because this is like, you put this in rice, plain rice, or you can put it in rice and peas. It's really good, and you can also put it in stews and stuff like that. So I got 2 cans. My husband really loves black beans, so I got 2 cans of Goya black beans. And then also, so I think that, no, I'm lying. Okay, so from the Spanish market, I got bak choy, and I don't know, put that there. So I got 2 things of bak choy because I am obsessed with bak choy currently. And then I got some thyme because that's the only place I can get dried thyme. Well, this is not really dried, but this is the only place I can get thyme for really inexpensive. And then also habanero, the orange pepper. These are spicy, but that's what I cook with. So there's that. I think that's all I got. No, I got burnt cow skin, and this was $13. And this is, it doesn't look it doesn't look appealing right now, but trust me, once it's cooked properly, it looks amazing, tastes amazing. And I also got the feet of the cow. I know, sounds gross, but trust me, when it's cooked properly, it's amazing. There you go. And then I also got some burnt goat. Someone once told my husband he took curry goat to work, and they were like, oh my gosh, I have a pet goat, how dare you. But we eat goat in Jamaica. I don't know about y'all, it tastes just like lamb, or even better than lamb. So there's that, you know, to each his own. So I got that. This was almost $13, and this one was $13.16. Very expensive. I spent $100 at that store, $110 at that store, and that's all the stuff I got. And this from Walmart was all $300 at Walmart. So okay, so I found these, and if you know the Starbucks cups, these were, oh nice, we'll have to wash it. These were $5 for 98 or something, and it just says hello fall. There's 4 of them in there, and it just looks like that. Come on, focus. It looks like that. That's as best as it's gonna get. You just add ice and it changed color, so I'm excited for that. And then I got some butter because I'm out of butter. I got some turkey breast for the kids' lunches. I got some turkey bacon for me. I got some extra sweet, extra dulce corn. This is a side for the coming week. And then I picked up some hard-boiled eggs because I eat these in my salad. And there's just 6 of them in here. And that was $1.98, so really inexpensive. And then for next week, I try to make it easy on myself because with 5 kids and having to do pickups and drop off and extra after school activities and homework and stuff like that, it's hard for me to just have a meal, to do dinners, to come home and do dinner. So I try to have like ready to make, like stuff you can toss in the microwave and it's quick. So I got this as a side for one meal, and then I'll do the protein, you know, fresh from scratch. But yeah, I'm done. So I'm trying to make my life easier these days because I'm finding that I'm getting more and more overwhelmed, and I don't need that. Bun size beef. It's hard for me to find the chicken one. That's the inexpensive kind. So I just got beef because we don't eat pork. So I'm trying to, and a lot of things have pork incorporated in it. So there's that. Then for next week, I'm going to be making chicken marsala or something along that line, right? Where you bread the chicken, and then you put pasta sauce, and then you put mozzarella cheese on top, and then bake it. We had it pre-made from the grocery store one night this week, and Rob fell in love. But that was like $30 for a family of 7. So, and it was only 6 breasts. So I picked up this chicken breast, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this was $10, and all that stuff over there was like, I want to say less than $10. So for $20, I can feed us with leftover if I do it my own. Do it myself. And then I got some chicken thighs because I want to make curry chicken or either brown stew chicken, one of them. And that's what I told you, 3 meals so far, 4. I picked up extra because on the weekend Rob likes to go into my protein, so I always pick up extra. And then I got some blackened Atlantic salmon fillets. I am into salmon lately because, yes. So I just picked that up for my lunches. And then to go with my proteins and stuff, so that way, this way I am not cutting up seasoning. So I got a seasoning blend with onion, celery. Anything that makes my life easy is the route I'm going. And I got 2 of that. Madison loves, here go Madison. Broccoli. She loves broccoli. So I got her 2 bags. So that's going to be one of her sides this week. And then I got some pepper and onion blend. Again, make my life easy. And then also chopped onion. I am obsessed with gum because, yes. So I just got 2. I got the fajita mix. And I like to get fresh because these don't last long in the refrigerator. So I get it 1 pack fresh and then the rest frozen. That way, you know. And then I got some hot pico de gallo. And this don't last too long either, but I love this on my eggs. Pollo, this is good on rice. Oh, it's good in everything. This thing is the bomb. Get you it. If you see it, get it. You can put it in rice. Like, you know, when you make rice, you just put 1 teaspoon or tablespoon, I don't know, and just put it in your rice. Oh my gosh, it will change the way you eat rice. Well, I don't know, because some people put sugar in their rice, and yeah. Crunchy peanut butter, and then creamy peanut butter, and then we have strawberry thing here to go with that. And then we have some crispy rice treat for the children's lunches. We have some kettle corn popcorn. This is our favorite popcorn in this house. We eat nothing else other than kettle. Mega size Reese's Puff. My children love this thing. I no longer buy the colorful ones anymore. It's just this. this. I know it's a lot of sugar. Please don't come for me, but you know what I mean. Sometimes you have to pick your battles. Sugar-free Red Bull for Rob lunches. Buttery smooth textured crackers for the children's lunches. Go-Gurt for the children's lunches. Chips for the children's lunches. Some graham cracker for when we have fire outside. They can do like s'mores. I have some Yo Crunch for the children's lunches. Some string cheese for the children's lunches. Family size Cheez-It for the children's lunches. I have some whole wheat bread. I have graduated. Remember, I used to feed my children that nasty, disgusting bread. I have slowly graduated, and over time I want to keep going until, you know, they're eating nothing but whole wheat, whole food, you know what I mean? But baby steps sometimes, baby steps. So I picked up 2 of these. And then also I got these for their lunches. They love these. They are so good. So I got that for their lunches. Told you the string cheese. They love grapes. Love grapes. Obsessed with grapes. So I got 2 things of green, 1 global. Was it globe or whatever? Red. And then I got mandarins because they love mandarins. They don't like strawberries. Mad likes strawberries, but when I buy it, it goes bad. So I try not to do that. And then I got some cheese for their the turkey sandwiches that they make here. Their lunches. It seemed like a lot of junk food, but really it's not. Whole milk hot dog buns for their hot dog. Trying to get rid of this, but Jason loves ramen. Jason loves ramen, so I stacked up on them for him. I got some white eggs for the children. It's just 18 white eggs. And then for Rob, he likes brown eggs, so I just got 18 brown eggs. Diet Coke. I'm trying to not purchase these anymore because it's not really good for you, but Rob like them. So slowly over time I'm gonna take things away from our grocery, but like I said, baby steps. Got some these are thin and crispy party size tortilla chips. Is it? Whatever. These are so good. You see how thin they are? So good. So good. Put cheese on them. Ooh, baby. And then I got some family size macaroni and cheese. Again, really quick and easy. This is so good. It doesn't taste disgusting. It doesn't taste like something in a package. It's so good. So I always stack up on these when I see them at Walmart. So yeah, because it's quick. I can just pop that in the microwave while I cook my protein, and boom, dinner's ready. And then I got some potato, and then fruit and grain for the children's lunches. And then come on over here, we have some sugar-free Gatorade for Rob's lunches, and also the orange one, so fruit punch orange. And then for the children, for their lunches, I get the roaring water. This is the grape one, and then also this is the fruit punch, I believe. Yes, fruit punch. And then I have water in the garage. Let's go out there. Okay, so every week I buy the 40-pack of water because Rob used this and the kids also use this. Since COVID, they don't drink from the fountain at school. And then I always get the big bag of basmati rice. Okay guys, my ears are ringing, but anyways, I'm gonna include this in part of the grocery haul, even though it's not food. So this is all black long sleeve shirts for the kids for a picnic that we're going to on Sunday. So all the kids are wearing black tops. So I just got $5 shirts for all the kids from Walmart. And then I got this dress for Maddie for church tomorrow. And then I got her these little bows to go because I feel like it matches. So cute. And that's for church tomorrow. And then I found her socks for school. I went back looking for these, the knee-high one, and they didn't have them, and they had one pack, so I just grabbed it because she goes through a lot of socks during the week. She needed glue stick, crayon. She said she needed markers and colored pencils. So, and she said she needed scissors. And I found this was 50 cents, so I just grabbed it. It's just a headband. And this is for my Bible journaling. You guys will see that video sometime soon, so I just picked that up. And I thought I picked up something else for Bible journaling, but I think that's it. So yeah, I just figured I'd include that into the haul. From Ross, I picked up this Lux Magnetic eyelash, and I'm excited. It was $5.99, and then I just got a black skirt for me. Because all my other skirts are so big on me. So I had to get a, what's this? I hope it's a medium. Ooh, it's a large. It looks small though. I thought it was a medium. I don't know why. But it was on clearance. Anyways, guys, that's it. That completes the haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and become a sunshine, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand.